Hello guys, we're going to continue our chapter. We're going to start by Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that force is equal to mass times acceleration. So F is equal to m times A, or F equals ma. F is force, m is for mass, and A acceleration. F is the force. So the force or the net force is equal to the mass of the object times the acceleration of the object. Reminder that the acceleration is a measurement of how quickly an object is changing speed. What does F equal ma mean? Force is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. Directly proportional means if the mass increases, the force will increase, and if the acceleration increases, the force will increase. Imagine a ball of a certain mass moving at a certain acceleration. This ball has a force. Now, imagine we make the ball twice as big. So if you double the mass of the ball, if I double the mass of the ball, then directly the force will double. If I have a ball of mass 2 kilograms and a ball of mass 4 kilograms, and they are moving both, and they both have the same acceleration, then the heavier ball will have the heavier force. Also, if I increase the acceleration, if I double the acceleration, the force will double. So if I increase the acceleration, the force will increase, and if I increase the mass, the force will increase. Now, if I double the mass and I double the force, and if I double the acceleration, I only double the force. Now, if I double both the mass and the acceleration, so m becomes 2m, and a becomes 2a, so it becomes 4ma, and ma is equal to f, so it is equal to 4f. So if I double the force and I double the acceleration, the force, if I double the mass and I double the acceleration, the force will be times 4. It will be quadruples, meaning it will increase by a factor of 4. Now, if I decrease the mass by half, how much force would the object have now? If I decrease the mass by half, of course, the force will become F over 2. So if I decrease the mass, I'm decreasing the force. If I'm increasing the mass, I'm increasing the force. So guys, Newton's second law is F equals to m times A. I need to memorize this formula. F is equal to mass times acceleration. Okay? Now we will solve some exercises using Newton's second law. Okay, let's try to solve this exercise. An object of mass 3 kilograms accelerates by 4 meters per second squared when an unknown force is applied to it. Find the amount of the force. So I need to find the force. I know that force is equal to mass times acceleration, which is Newton's second law. Force equal mass times acceleration. So now I have the mass, which is 3 kilograms. Pay attention to the units. Mass is in kilograms, acceleration is in meters per second squared, so 3 times 4 equal to 12, and the unit of force, as we know, is Newton. So I found the amount of the force, which is 12 newtons. Let's take another example. An object of mass 5 kilograms accelerates by 5 meters per second squared, and I need to find the force. So the mass is equal to 5 kilograms, and acceleration A is equal to 5 meters per second squared. So F is is equal m times a equals to 5 times 5 equal to 25 newtons. Don't forget F m a. Now another example. An object accelerates by 6 meters per second squared. So a is equal to 6 meters per second squared. And when a force of 12 newtons, so I have the force now. Find the mass of the object. I need to find m. Now using Newton's second law, F m a, m is equal to F over a. I need to find the mass. So a mass equal to force divided by acceleration, which is equal to F is 12 over 6 equals to 2. Mass is in kilograms. So mass equals to 2 kilograms. Another exercise. An object of mass 6 kilograms, so I have m equals 6 kilograms, has a force of 36 newtons. F equals 36 newtons applied to it. Find the acceleration of the object. I need to find the acceleration. So F m a, I need to find a. So a is equal to F over m equals to F is 36 divided by m is 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6, and the unit of acceleration is meters per second squared. So a equals to 6 meters per second squared, and I am done. And I will post a worksheet for you on lesson. You can download it from lesson and you need to solve it. Stay safe and good luck.